Last time we did something like this, it was very polished and nice, and not really fair to the reality of the life that we live on the road. So this time it's not. A lot of time has passed since that day in November last year when we left in what was then a freshly built car. Arguably, we didn't spend all our nights in the tent or even on the road, but for the time being, and it's been quite a long time, it was our home, and it still is. So, what do we think about it now, after all this time? Number 1, the car. It is beautiful, and it's very, very capable. A lot of people don't seem to realize this, but this is essentially a shorter Defender with a better body on top. And with better, I mean more prone to rust, but also more beautiful. The only issue for us is it has too many doors, and it is a tad small. So I don't think we would pick it again. Number 2, the tent. It's perfect, and we love it, when it's above 10 degrees Celsius at night and relatively calm. We haven't quite figured out how to do it at like freezing, and we also don't like it when it's really windy. And we would like it to be about 4 centimeters taller overall when folded, so that we could store our stuff more easily. And that's about it. Number 3, the shower. You know this very elaborate shower setup that we built? Matter of fact, we rarely use it because it's very cumbersome to build, and more importantly, this engine runs so cold that you have about 10 minutes after a long drive to get your shit done. Otherwise, it just won't heat the water enough because the thermostat is already closed. So, despite it being kind of a cool idea, we end up using other methods to shower. Like just heating one can and then using a pot. The seats. I don't think I have much to say about this. The seats are a really good idea, and we wouldn't want to do it without them. At least, I mean, go do it. Number 5 is this thing. The kettle. If you don't know what it is, go to this website and look it up. And then buy one because it's one of the best things ever. And you should also get this grill for your spare tire because it wastes no space and you don't have to clean it. Full recommendation on both. Number 6, overall. Now that's the sound of the kettle. Where was I? All right. Number 6, overall. There are a ton of compromises in George, and we know of most of them. And some things could be addressed, others probably couldn't with this. So we're not going to do anything about it. We're just going to keep it the way it is because we think we did something good. And if we want to do something else, we might as well build something new. Not anytime soon, but You know? We did this. And it goes places. Places like this.